You must certainly have opened your fridge and asked yourself, this is already expired, but can I still eat it? The expiration date of foods is a good way of knowing if something is still safe to ingest. However, in some items, it is more of a suggestion than a rule to be followed. Did you know that? As long as they are correctly stored, many foods can still be safely consumed after their date of expiry or recommended consumption period. Did you know that your eyes and nose are the best way to ensure that a product is still good to eat? Our sense of smell knows when something is still good to consume. So listen to it. Do you want to know what foods you can eat even after their expiry date? Bread. It may look like it is stale after its expiry date, but it can still be eaten. Actually, stale bread is the best one to make croutons for salad. We made a video talking about moldy bread, so if you want to learn more, watch the suggested video. Hard cheese. Did you know that the way a cheese is made and matured allows it to be safely consumed after its expiry date? That's the case with hard cheese. Just cut the moldy parts, if there are any, at least 1 inch into the good parts before eating. Butter. It must only be consumed if stored under refrigeration. Even better if it is frozen. But even after its date of expiration, butter can be consumed without any problems unless its taste is rancid. Peanut butter. Both the creamy and crunchy versions are safe to eat for a year after expired if still sealed. After they are opened, they should be consumed in 3 or 4 months if stored in the pantry, or for 6 to 8 months if stored in the fridge. Chocolate. After it expires, it may present a whitish layer, but don't worry, it is not moldy, just chocolate bloom. It happens when the melted cocoa butter crystallizes in a less stable way. If you stored your chocolate in a cool place, it is still safe to eat it. Jams. Some types of jams contain a lot of sugar, which helps preserve and keep it safe for consumption even after its expiry date. But be careful not to contaminate your jam with other products you like to spread on your bread or toasts. Eggs. We have recently talked about them on our channel. Eggs are one of those essential foods that not every household can consume before they expire. You can check if an egg is still safe to eat by putting it in a glass of water. If it sinks, it is still good. If it floats, the egg is rotten and must be discarded. Cereal. Keep it in a cool and dark place with its bag well closed, and your cereal will last for months after its expiry date. It may be a little stale, but it is still safe to eat. The same goes for cookies and chips. Now tell us, do you eat foods after their expiry date? What do you do to ensure your food